America? How's it going? So if The Walking Dead was a comedy part 3, now y'all been asking me about it repeatedly, multiple times, so now we're gonna watch it. Instagram link, Twitter link, donation link in the description below. 20K on the way. Y'all know what time it is. We're here for it. Anyways, let me calm down. There it is. I was looking for this. I should have got it before I started recording, but it's all good. We here. Chapstick. Just in case, you know. Speaking of which. Alright, let's go ahead and get this thing going. Let's get it.
Previously on If the Walking Dead was a comedy. Oh yeah, and you can sleep in the barn.
The barn?
Hey, fella.
Oh, what's up? What's poppin'?
My wife's a thought.
Caught her cheating on me with the cow outside, but I took it back. Ain't nobody make them biscuits like her, you know what I'm saying? No, I don't.
And I can take your son over here to play with the tractor or something.
He said no, I don't.
Pretty sure he can't mess that up. What does this do? Help!
Huh? Hold on.
Help me, hurry!
I'm about to eat your ass, no problem. What happened? Oh, look at this two-piece thigh right here. Give me some neck. And somebody go grab the Lori seasoning salt. He kind of bland.
He full with that shotgun.
Strawberries. He's so sweet. My son, leave my home.
We going to Mickey D's if y'all want to ride.
I moved us out the hood to get away from the ghetto.
Ain't no Mickey D's out there.
You get killed by a damn zombie, son.
Ain't no Mickey D's out there.
Man, you driving so damn slow. We about to be going backwards.
Sorry, but I do the speed limit.
What's the speed limit? 2? Come on, man. Shit, I'm on.
I've said that before. If we was going in the store, we'd be going backwards.
You put gas in the truck.
Nope, I forgot.
Man, get me the fuck out of here, man. Y'all a stupid ass family.
Is this McDonald's?
Little nigga, do you see gold arches? Come on, y'all. Let's walk to McDonald's. Do y'all even know where McDonald's is?
There's no McDonald's.
Oh, let's just ask somebody for directions. Man, who the hell can you ask out here?
There's only zombies out here.
Him! Oh, there we go. Excuse me, sir.
That's the dumbest thing you could do.
You know the way to go to McDonald's?
That's definitely a zombie.
You say McDonald's?
Why would you?
McDonald's? Can you take my order? I want a large fry.
You give me a double cheeseburger.
Why would you go to a city, get out the car, and then scream really loud, knowing there's zombies around?
Come on, let's eat.
Oh,
And get that home. He killed Danny. Oh, we gonna eat your face.
that was a stupid though.
You ain't gonna have food forever, bitch. All right, look at this little fortune cookie here. Let me get this shrimp out right, homie. Open this.
Shrimp.
Danny food all day.
Low key, that sounds good right now. No BS, that sounds pretty
Well,
good.
you're splitting your hand for the jelly beans and Pop-Tarts, you stupid idiot!
I don't eat jelly beans. I eat cheeseburgers though.
Did I hand you a menu? This is like a restaurant. What, you want to take your order too?
I'll take a Caesar salad with a Sprite, a side of fries.
Just be sarcastic. You see what you brought in? Just brought in more mouths to feed.
So am I getting a Caesar salad or not?
No.
What? This is ridiculous.
I got a dookie.
You can't hold it. Tuck that shit back in. Where are you from? I'm from where the fuck is my Caesar salad bill? We got a problem out here? Yeah, your waiter tripping. Who is this, the cook?
My dad.
Who dumbass kid is that over there? Why is he bleeding, huh? You got a fit or something? Is this your kid, man? I ain't got no kids. Well, I'm about to go choke him out there. You do what the hell you want to do. I don't give a damn. What do you think you're doing? About to choke out the zombie boy. My boy ain't no damn zombie.
He ain't a
He
zombie.
get bit. Well, they got bit today, motherfucker. We ain't got enough food to feed all y'all. Some of y'all got to go. You ain't about to be eating my Twizzlers and Snickers and shit. You better relax. Look like you got a damn
Hey,
helmet
Snickers,
imprint on this
Twizzlers.
head. You dumb? Oh, he going in.
Oh, yeah, you trying to roast, huh?
Get him. Big fake ass Takashi 619 Dookie in your diaper wearing bitch.
Oh, he got you! Hey, shut up!
Girl, get on your ass. Breath smell like earring backs. Girl, stop it. Now back to you. Now, matter of fact, let's talk about your wife. Look like she get ran through like easy mode on the video game, this little thought.
How'd you know?
Don't let him say that. All right, get on your ass. Look like your daddy went to get some milk and never came back.
Oh, yeah? Your daddy's so old.
He used to play bingo with Moses.
Y'all, this is stupid, bro.
Can't hold it. Man, whatever, do what you want.
They really over there roasting.
Oh, you know what? I knew he looked familiar. Oh, really? You never seen me day in your life. You're the guy from the family photos. I used to come to your house dressed up as a cow. Say what? And your wife in the backyard like, moo.
Oh.
Done milking me, she was gonna make biscuits for his stupid ass. Oh, he got your ass. It's over. I think you're lying. She got a birthmark the shape of Texas on her booty and a pimple. Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about? This is the conversation right here, all right? We know his wife's a hoe. Great nose hair and going to your brain, but you too damn old to be talking like that. Somebody need to put you in the home and throw away the key. Hey, I'm in the bathroom, little fucker. Wait your turn. You ain't gonna stand
Oh,
on
man.
this. Oh, no. What the? Move. What goddamn? Your parents didn't teach you how to knock it off her. I'm saying, what is your daddy? Hell no, I never did.
Hit with that two-piece combo.
I didn't even wash my hands.
Get off.
Hit the A button there, nigga. I'm hitting that
He
control.
said hit the A button, nigga.
Take a shit. Hold on, what you doing here?
Oh, no.
He said hit the A button, nigga. Bro, that was funny. This sucker's funny.
Be quiet.
First, I'ma kick it. Bitch, see my whole fucking foot fell off, nigga. Yo, chicken tender foot ass nigga. And yo, his foot fell off. Yo, we gotta take him to the hospital.
They're leaving.
We need more food. He's right. We need something to eat.
This is all the food.
I've been wanting McDonald's for a while.
Anybody out there? Come on by. I got thighs, legs, and breasts. Come get your piece. And for the right price, you can have it all.
Oh, damn, that sounds good. Hey, give me that.
For the right price.
If you want this, you're gonna have to come over here and get it.
Damn.
That don't sound like no food to
In the
me.
hotel on 13th Street.
That's like
Just knock on the door.
the intro to
Make sure you
Pornhonub.
have the money.
Do that.
Don't ask me how I know.
Chicken, man. About to order me a motherfucking 20-piece. Yeah, hey, we gonna be there, all right?
20
Look,
piece.
boys.
Extra crispy.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring you back some chicken bones, all right? You can suck the gristle out of it, all right? Need some help? Oh, no, 20-piece ain't nothing. This bucket be gone before I come back, you know? I mean, I'm gonna bring some back. I don't need no help. I'm grab chicken. And
He
come
said
right
that
back.
20 piece is gonna be gone. That's how I might get back.
I'ma come with you.
That's on game.
For what?
I got the gun just in case you need some help.
All right.
Let's go.
You can eat the crumbs off my face, all right?
Bro, he trying to eat all the food and not share.
Oh, what that? Who is?
He said you can eat the crumbs out my.
I heard somebody. You know I'm on the Bluetooth. Yeah, come through. I'm on the block.
He said you can eat the crumbs out my
Yeah,
beard.
I got some weed and everything. It's ready though. On your sister.
You can have it when
Got
I'm
meat on her
finished.
booty.
That was
Shit.
It's a zombie.
They really out here sneaking around at night.
You thought me zombie. Gotcha, bitch. About to get a bullet in your face. Get your Mr. Miyagi ass over here. But yo, thanks
That's
for volunteering. Volunteer for what?
You're gonna go over there and get the chicken,
I
right?
didn't say that shit. What are you talking about? I didn't volunteer.
Hey, I need my money back. I didn't even finish.
And look at some angry customers.
That shit was real
Them
fish.
zombies.
You must be using old grease. So what's up? Go on. I don't know. I guess.
He said she must be using old grease.
I don't know about this. What the fuck? I fought when I'm nervous, okay? I'm nervous. This nigga just farted on me.
Get it together, all right? We're gonna get this food and get out of here. Come on.
Wow.
Bitch better have my money. Yeah, that sound like a song. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. I think she gave me something, cuz. I can't stand up for shit. Hey, y'all come get some of these chitlins while they still hot. They good.
Oh, she got chitlins, bro?
She got chitlins.
Sound good. Get some hot sauce? Ooh, I need some of that. He's eating it out of a body. Ew, he eating it from the source. Oh, hell no. She you ready to do this? What is that, your tough face? Looking like a Call of Duty game case cover. Come on, get it together. Hold on, let me check it out. Let me check. Oh, I need this.
What is that? What did he just pick up?
Memory foam pillow. You know how hard it is finding it? Yo, I'm gonna go
It's that memory
I think this dude had heart disease. His heart big as hell. I don't usually get on these chat lines like that, but I just want to highlight you, baby. I'm on the Bluetooth. Where you staying?
Damn, can't go this way.
Zombie? Hell no, I ain't no zombie.
Come on, come on, come on.
Anybody got a crab leg cracker for these ribs?
All right, that didn't work.
He said, oh,
Hey,
that didn't
anybody
work.
got some jumbo cables? I'm trying to play, man. Who the fuck is you?
I think it's on. You got to use the pillow. Huh? Use your own damn pillow. This is my memory foam pillow. You have to use that pillow and strangle that zombie over there, or else he's going to snitch on you.
Or else he's gonna snitch on you.
Damn. Alright, I'm gonna go over here and do this. You better have my back so it don't go wrong, though.
Hey, y'all, hold it on. We got one over here. Oh, baby, what you doing? I got your back.
Oh, shit.
That is not.
My mouth was open.
Oh, shit. I better mind my business. I ain't seen that.
Oh, okay, I got it. I see what you're doing now. Oh, I say that you still shot the gun
A
though,
few more to go.
but you shoot it through the pillow, the sound. Anyways, I was like, that didn't make any sense to me. I know he wasn't gonna try to smother the zombie to death. That didn't make no
It's
sense.
the alternator.
I guess no, you can't. They're dead already, so you can't drown them. Not drown them.
That's the spark plug.
Smother them. You know what I meant. You know what I meant. All right, stop trying to play me.
We use this transmission because it's made out of porcelain. It won't make no noise when I bust the glass. Oh, shit.
Yeah, nobody heard that. You right, you got it. I mind my business, though.
You say.
See, told you. Oh, come here. What you gonna do with that screwdriver? Tighten up my dining room chairs with this. All right, come on, go back this way. We gotta kill everybody. Yeah, this shit's fun.
I'm gonna
man.
tighten up my dining room chairs with
Go back
this.
over here and get this one.
I think this nigga got kidney stones. I'm gonna check my motherfucking tooth on one again. Oh, me? I don't live with my mama. My mama live with me. You
He said, I don't live with my mom. My mom live with me.
Oh, dang. I'm out here crimping. Who wants some? Hey, baby, let me call you back. Hey, what you doing? Oh!
Oof.
You over here looking like a big ass orange chicken. Come here. Oh, what is this? A combination plate with that dark meat too?
All right, come on, man.
I would still keep the screwdriver. Like, why did he just get rid of
Ooh,
it?
look at this one on the wall.
Obviously, it works. If it keeps working, you keep doing it. What are you doing?
Hey, look, y'all. Deacon got the.
Oh, that axe though. I guess you're right. Put the axe.
Hey, bro, slow down, nigga. Oh, my goodness. Hey, why don't y'all come help me down here? What the fuck is that? Is that Boozer from Days Gone? No, we good.
What's up, bro?
Boy, ooh, you look ain't got no damn arm. Deacon, come get him.
Shut up.
Oh, he did keep it. I thought he took it out of his head. The last
Did
dude.
he just grab an axe?
Apparently not. I was wrong.
Man, just act like we banging. We don't see him. We ain't bothering him. We don't want no smoke. I think he coming up here. What?
We don't want no smoke.
Oh, my goodness.
Y'all stand back. I'm about to go up here swinging.
There you go. That's the answer. That's the answer we seek. I'm about to get all kinds of crazy up here. Y'all might want to stay down here.
Maybe he won't bother us. Just leave him my back line. I ain't going back and forth with you, Eunice. Just leave him my back line. Oh, Jenny's looking at you, baby. Lois, come here.
Bow.
Oh, shit, you just knocked my baby mama head off, nigga. Who's gonna watch my kids now? Shut your ass up.
It's got to be the nastiest Popeye I've ever seen in my life.
Bro, there's no chicken here. I don't know who else to tell you that. In case you was wondering, there's no chicken here.
Told you was coming.
FYI.
That black lady from the Popeyes commercial with the wig on. Talking about Xana Rays, you remember?
Bust it open.
Zatterin.
She said?
No, that's something else.
Bust it open for me, Daddy.
Oh, she said bust it open. Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna bust it open. Hold on,
That's
shut
not
up.
what I think she
Dumbass.
means.
Oh, yeah, shut up. All right, I busted open.
You say you might want to use the axe.
Come here, nigga. They told me to bust it open, not you.
Bro, this.
Oh, my God. Who is this meth head?
Where the chicken at?
Where's the chicken?
Chicken? What are you talking about? I don't have chicken.
I told you.
One of my customers bit me.
Man, shut your ass. Chicken.
Can I use that gun? Please. I don't want to be a zombie. We can help you though.
You can't help.
Chicken.
No, but could you please leave me your gun? I don't want to be a zombie.
You deserve to be a zombie.
I'm gonna leave her the gun.
No.
Yes.
You're gonna leave her the gun? That's the dumbest. People make bad
I'm
choices,
gonna
bro.
leave now. You staying here?
Yeah.
Damn.
Give me back this motherfucking pistol. Oh, let me get upside face.
She gone.
Here we go.
Here he is. So what happened?
I wouldn't have gave her the gun though. I wouldn't have gave her the gun. That wasn't smart. What if should have been like, haha, I got y'all. Put your hands up. That's your ass. That's game over for you. I'd be like, look, okay, I understand I want to be a zombie. All right, turn around. I'll just shoot you, and I'll make it quick. You know, I ain't trying to kill nobody either, though. That's kind of hard. I wouldn't do it. I'll make somebody else do it. But I'm not giving you the gun. If you're not on the squad, if you ain't gang, you ain't getting the gun. Y'all know the rules. If you ain't gang, you ain't getting the gun. You know?
Whoever's paying him to say all this stuff, I will pay you double to stop it.
Hey! Like and subscribe. Instagram link, Twitter link, donation link in the description below. Check me out. 20K on the way. Thank y'all for donating and following me on Instagram and Twitter. Appreciate y'all. Y'all comment y'all favorite part. Y'all already know what my favorite part was. I was dead. I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna just let y'all see it one more time real quick right here, just now, after this. Adios, sayonara, see you later.
Hell no, I never did.
Hit him with that two-piece combo.
I didn't even wash my hands. Look, yo, hit the A button there, nigga. I'm hitting that.
He said hit the A button, nigga.